how to turn off WhatsApp call or how you can disable WhatsApp call. For that, you have to turn off the call feature completely or manage your notification. Here's the process how you can do that on your iPhone. First of all, you have to turn off your WhatsApp call through your app setting. Navigate to your device setting here. Scroll down and go for your privacy here. Or on your privacy and security, scroll down and go for your microphone option. Once you are on your microphone option, here you can see the WhatsApp. You have to simply toggle this off. So also you can open up your setting, and once you are on your setting here, you can disable your WhatsApp call notification too. Just go for your setting of your WhatsApp, go for your privacy. Once you are on your privacy here, you can just go for the you have to just go back and navigate to your notification, and here you can see the notification. You have to simply toggle this off. Also, you can disable the app microphone or camera permission. You can see that you have to navigate to your setting and you can disable it from here. So this method will prevent you from the WhatsApp call from disturbing you. But note that disabling WhatsApp call entirely might limit some features, such as receiving voice messages or using the app for messages. So for that, you have to completely uninstall the app if you don't want to make the calls from your WhatsApp. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.